Hello students, in this session we will continue with exercise 3.2 question number 2nd on comparing the ratios a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. Find out whether the lines representing the following pair of linear equations intersect at a point, are parallel or coincident. We have given two equations. इनके ग्राफ अगर हम बनाएंगे तो लाइंस बनेगी. अब हमें इनके रेशियोज कंपेयर करके ये फाइंड करना है कि ये जो लाइंस बनेगी वो एक पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट करेगी, पैरेलल होगी या कोइंसिडेंट होगी. ठीक है, लेट्स सी हाउ टू फाइंड आउट. सबसे पहले तो हमारे पास जो इक्वेशंस है दे आर लाइक दिस: 5x माइनस 4y प्लस 8 एंड 7x प्लस 6y माइनस 9. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास इसको जनरल फॉर्मेट में कंपेयर कर देंगे. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. यहाँ पे हमारा a1 हो जाएगा 5, a2 हो जाएगा 7, b1 हो जाएगा -4, b2 हो जाएगा 6, फिर c1 हो जाएगा हमारा 8 एंड c2 जो है वो हो जाएगा -9. Now let us take the ratios of them. a1 upon a2 that is 5 by 7, b1 upon b2 minus 4 by 6, इसे रिड्यूस करेंगे तो -2 by 3 मिलेगा, और c1 upon c2 जो है वो हमें मिला है 8 upon -9. प्रॉपरली वी कैन राइट -8 upon 9. अब देखो तीनों रेशियोज यानी कि a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. तीनों रेशियोज जो है वो इक्वल नहीं है. तो इक्वल नहीं है मतलब इन इक्वेशंस के हमें यूनिक सॉल्यूशन मिलेंगे. ठीक है, सो लाइंस विल बी इंटरसेक्टिंग एट अ पॉइंट. तो लाइंस जो होंगी वो एक पॉइंट पे क्या करेगी, इंटरसेक्ट करेगी. क्लियर? In second part, we have given 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0, 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. Okay, let's compare this with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and this one with a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now from this we can have a1 as 9, a2 as 18, b1 as 3, b2 as 6, c1 as 12 and c2 will be 24. Up, let's take out the ratio of them. a1 upon a2 is equal to 9 upon 18 and that is equal to 1 by 2. फिर b1 upon b2 that is equal to 3 upon 6 and that is again 1 by 2. Then c1 upon c2 that is 12 by 24 and that will be equal to 1 by 2. तीनों ratios हमें equal मिले हैं. So a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. इसका मतलब ये lines जो है वो कैसी हो जाएगी, coincident. So lines are coincident. Clear? In sum number third, what we have given is 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0, 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. Let's compare this with the general form. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. From this a1 can be written as 6, b1 can be written as -3, c1 can be written as 10, a2 can be written as 2, b2 can be written as -1 and c2 can be written as 9. Up, let's take out the ratios. a1 upon a2 6 by 2, 3 by 1. b1 upon b2 -3 by -1 that will be again 3 by 1 and c1 upon c2 10 by 9. Now from this we can see that A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, but none of them are equal to C1 upon C2. So in this condition, the lines are parallel. So lines are parallel. Got it?